to make hot oil treatment for hair using rosemary essential oil. Hot oil treatment can be a great way to deep condition your hair. The process is efficient and requires minimal ingredients. The treatment can also help tackle dry, damaged hair while improving scalp health. For this treatment, you will need 2 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, coconut, olive, or almond oils, hot towel or shower cap, shampoo, conditioner. Now, what you have to do is mix the rosemary oil and the carrier oil of your choice. Heat the mixture until it is warm. Ensure you do not heat the oils in a microwave oven to avoid nutrient loss. Section your hair and massage the oil into your scalp for about 10 minutes. Work the oil along the length of your hair until the roots and tips are well covered. Wrap a hot towel. Use a blow dryer to heat your towel around your oiled hair. Alternatively, you can cover it with a shower cap. Keep the towel wrapped around your head for about 30 minutes before washing the oil out. The warm environment will allow maximum penetration and absorption of nutrients. Rinse the oils out of your hair with your regular shampoo. If you have oily hair, you can skip conditioning. End the wash with a cool water rinse to seal your cuticles. How often you should do this? You can treat your hair to a hot oil treatment up to 2 times a week. Note: do not overheat the oil as it may burn your scalp. Overheating the oil may also reduce its nutrients. You may use this recipe even if your hair is greasy. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.